All right, well, looks like we've got ATC70 up on the stand here. So what are we doing to this thing?
So, this 70's getting a rebuild. She's now got Pitster Pro 155 in it. Katie's purchased Pitster Pro 190 electric start. No more pull start. Get rid of that. And her plan is to white fenders, correct?
Yes, carbon fiber white fenders.
Carbon fiber white fenders. What color is the tank going?
Blue.
The frame?
Red.
Okay. So this is going to be exciting. My favorite part about this project is Katie's funding the whole thing. This is the first engine, paint job, rebuild on this she hasn't funded. We were thinking back with this. This started out, of course, as the original ATC70 engine. Then went to 110 Pitster Pro, right?
Yep.
Then a Piranha 140, which put two top ends on.
Courtesy of me.
Yep. Then after the 140, we went to Pitster Pro 160. And then from the 160, went to this 155 HO, they call them?
Yeah, it's the high output year.
High output.
That thing runs good.
Yeah. Chance's old motor.
You're going to be disappointed with the 190, Katie. You're just,
Thanks.
electric start's the only thing you're gaining.
Thanks.
No,
And
I'm just
now
kidding.
it's going to get the 190. So it's had quite a few engines. This Freeman's been around. It does have some history. It's kind of cool, actually, this one. This started out, Katie's grandpa, Jim, bought it brand new for Katie's mom, Jamie. And they had it for years. And then after a while, my dad purchased it for my sister. And we had it for years. And then I ended up getting it from my dad. And it's been Katie's ever since. So it's kind of been in our family.
It's a family heirloom.
It's a family heirloom.
Without meaning to be a family heirloom.
Yep. So anyhow, it's going to be a fun project, especially for Katie. She's going to be doing as much of it as she can. So she's going to be making videos of it.
What are you most excited about, Katie? Are you
Meeting you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you'll be able to do that pretty easy. 'Cause mine's pretty weak.
I don't know. I'm excited to see the new paint. I'm sick and tired of the yellow. It'll be interesting. It'll be fun to do something on my own. Sort of, kind of.
Yeah.
It's looked too good for too long.
Yeah, too good for too long. Yeah, rip to the
Sick of
buggy
the
over
yellow.
there. She hates yellow. It's the worst color in the world.
Do you want my fenders?
No.
$200.
How about
They have a hole in the side.
$20
No.
and you fix the hole?
No.
Okay.
Hey, that hole's just losing weights for racing.
Yeah, exactly. Well, so you're excited for the paint more than the motor?
Well, I'm excited for the motor too. This can be freaking
Okay,
sweet.
okay.
Shouldn't be too bad. It's already extended. The frame, probably, I don't remember how much we did, 2 inches, 2 and whatever we've done to all of them, but so she shouldn't have to extend the frame. It's going to be a matter of bolting that motor in. Chance is going to cut and weld the intake.
Yeah, I guess that's
That's
a sign to me already. So that's nice.
But
I'm getting roped into this too.
that's going to take a little bit of work. We're going to have to cut the pipe to make it fit, and then a lot more wiring, adding a battery. She wants to put a headlight on it. She ordered some headlight brackets for that. So anyhow, it should be a fun project.
Yeah, it'll be awesome.
All right, Katie, let's see your hands. Oh yeah. She's got the motor out. Fenders are out. The old motor's over here. So now she's got to finish getting the rear axle out, forks off of it, everything else tore down so she can start stripping the frame and repainting it. She's making some good progress. Okay, Katie's got it completely tore down to the frame. We found a few problems tearing it down. Sprocket, the rear sprocket's toast. Both these tabs are broke off of it because these are all trashed. So she's gonna probably need to do some upgrading there. Maybe get rid of this and buy the hub that allows you to put a bolt-on sprocket on it. But anyhow, now she's just got cleaning and sanding and painting to do before we can start bolting the motor in. Maybe replace these rear bearings, do some upgrades while it's tore apart.